Beko Washing Machine. How to reset. If your Beko washing machine is not working properly, a simple reset might be all you need to fix the issue. The good news is that resetting a Beko washing machine is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Turn off the machine. Before you begin, make sure the washing machine is turned off. Press the power button and wait a few seconds to ensure the machine has completely shut down. Step 2. Hold the Start Pause button. Once the machine is off, press and hold the Start Pause button for about 5 seconds. This will clear any minor system errors and reset the machine's settings. Step 3. Turn the machine back on. After releasing the button, turn the machine back on using the power button. At this point, the washing machine should be fully reset and ready to use. Step 4. Check for error messages. If your Beko washing machine was displaying an error code, check the user manual to see what it means. Some issues may require additional troubleshooting, such as checking the water supply, drain hose, or door lock. Step 5. Run a test cycle. To make sure the reset was successful, start a quick wash cycle without any clothes inside. If everything runs smoothly, your washing machine should be back to normal. When to call for service. If the reset does not fix the issue and the machine continues to malfunction, it may need professional repair. Contacting a technician is the best option in such cases. Now you know Beko Washing Machine. How to reset so you can quickly fix small problems and keep your washing machine running efficiently.